good morning everyone. Today we are going to discuss a very important concept, that is what stacks. Okay, this is very important. What is mean by stack means? Stack we are calling as what it is, an ordered collection of data items where an additional and removal of items takes place at what the same end. Okay, before going into this definition, I'll give one example. Like what is mean by stack means we have only one end. From that end only you have to insert an element, and by using the same end you have to remove the element. By using same end we are inserting and we are deleting. Inserting and deleting. Best example, see, consider I have 3 books. Okay, first one I am taking as what, yellow, followed by what, some multicolor notebook, and one more, that is blue color. Okay, I have 3 books. Okay, that is arranged in an order. Suppose I want to take yellow color notebook, so directly I cannot pick. First I want to remove blue color one, followed by multicolor, then yellow color. So here we have only one end. Okay, this is the end, and if I want to collect yellow color notebook, I want to removing my data from the top. Okay, first I am removing blue color one, followed by multicolor, followed by what, yellow color. So stack means we have only one end. Okay, from that end only you are inserting and deleting an element. Like a multiple number of books that is arranged in an order. Okay, if I want to take the bottom book, how we are going to do? From the top you are going to remove the books. Straight away you cannot do. That is the first one. Second one is what? You consider bangles. Okay, bunch of bangles. First I have inserted one bangle, followed by second one, third one, fourth one, fifth one. So I have inserted 5 bangles. I want to remove the first one. What you have to do? You have to remove 4 bangles. Okay, you have to remove 4 bangles, then you have to take the first one. And one more example. Consider you people are familiar with what? Browsing. Okay, suppose I have opened Facebook. Okay, I opened what? Facebook. I browsed it. Second, I opened what? My Gmail account, and I am using it. Third one, I opened what? A Google page. Okay, total 3 web pages I have opened. That is what? The first one, see, first one is what? Facebook. Okay, and the second one is what? Gmail. And the third one is what? Google page. Okay, first I have opened what? Facebook web page, followed by Gmail, followed by Google. Okay, in a cell phone you have seen back button. Okay, if we use back button, what will happen? Which is my first page, that is Facebook. But if you press back button, what will happen? First it will remove Google page, followed by Gmail, followed by what? Facebook. So my top of the page will what? Google, that will be removed first, followed by Gmail, followed by Facebook. So if you want to access the Facebook, before I have 2 web pages, that will be removed first. This is the best example. So stack means we have only one end. From that end you are going to insert an element and delete the element. Okay, these are all the examples. Now we'll move on to what? Definition. A stack is an ordered collection of items. Items means elements, where the addition of new items and the removal of existing items always takes place at what? Same end. Okay, consider this is the stack memory location. This is the stack memory location. Okay, and assume that, see, if I want to insert an element, from this end you have to insert. Okay, from this end I am inserting an item. If I want to delete, by using same end you have to delete. Okay, and stack is having a pointer, that is what? Top. Stack always contains what? One pointer, that is what? Top. Okay, this top is always pointing to what? -1. Okay, the top is always pointing to what? -1. -1 indicates that stack is empty. In the sense, I didn't inserted any elements. I didn't inserted any elements into the stack. Okay, when top is pointing to -1, no more elements are there in the stack. Suppose I want to insert 3 elements, 10, 20, 30. Okay, I want to insert 3 elements. How you want to do means, first you have to consider stack memory and you have to check with what? Top is equals to -1. Okay, if it is pointing to the -1, it indicates that stack is empty. Now what I want to do? I want to insert an element. I have to use same end. See how we have to insert means you have to increment the top. How means, see, -1 plus 1 will become what? 0. Now the top is pointing to the position 0. Now what you have to do? From -1 it is pointing to what? 0. Now I am inserting an element 10. Okay, this is my first element. Next, I want to insert an item 20. So now you have to increment what? Top. 0 plus 1. How much you get? 1. Now the top is pointing to where? The position 1, and I am inserting which element? 20. Then again one more element I am having 30. I want to insert 30. What you have to do? You have to increment top. So top is pointing to 1. 1 plus 1, it will become what? 2. Now top is pointing to 2. I have inserted item 30. So which is my first element? 10 I have inserted, 20 I have inserted, 30 I have inserted. So total 3 elements I have inserted. So okay, suppose if I want to remove 10, directly we cannot do because we have only one end. First what you have to do? You have to remove 30 followed by 20 followed by 10. So that's why stack always performs in LIFO. Okay, stack always performs with a principle LIFO, that is last in first out. LIFO indicates last in first out. Last in first out. In the sense, whichever the element inserted at the last, which is the element we have inserted last, that is 30, that will be deleted first. Okay, see here, LIFO means last in first out. Which element I have inserted at last, that is 30. Okay, that will be deleted first. Okay, stack always performs with the principle, that is what? LIFO, last in first out. Whichever the element we have inserted at the end, that will be deleted first. Suppose one more element I want to insert. What you have to do? You have to increment what? Top value. Top is pointing to what? 2. Okay, 2 plus 1 will become what? 3. Now top is pointing to 3. I have inserted an element 40. Now which is the last element I have inserted? 40. That will be deleted first. That's why always the stack works with what? A principle, that is what? Last in first out. So where we have used in the concept what stack means while browsing the data. Okay, suppose if you have opened many web pages, while reversing back, while going back, what will happen? Which is the top page, that will be deleted first. And if you take an n number of books that is arranged on the desk, okay, if you want to take some 4th or 5th book, you have to remove the books from the top. And one more example, that is bangles. Okay, when you are going to insert bangles into your hand, what will happen? If you want to remove any middle of the bangle, you have to remove from the top. Okay, this and all the logics of what stack memory. And what is a definition says means stack, it is an ordered collection of what data items where the addition and deletion of items takes place at the same end. We have only one end. When stack is pointing to, sorry, stack we have taken, when top is pointing to -1 indicates the stack is empty, so that you can insert an items. Okay, whenever stack top is pointing to -1 or a null, you can insert an elements. Okay, how we are going to insert means you have to increment what top value. Okay, while incrementing what, you can insert an element, and whichever the element you have inserted at the last, that will be deleted first. Okay, that is the principle of what stack. Stack always works with the principle that is LIFO, last in first out. Whichever the element inserted at the last, that will be deleted first. This is a major thing. Okay, see, I have inserted. Okay, now I want to delete. Okay, if I want to delete, what will happen? From same end you have to remove. So while deleting, what will happen? The top value will be decremented. Okay, while deleting, what happened? The top value will be decremented. See, I have deleted 40. So the top will be pointing to where? The position 2. I have deleted 30. Now the top will be decremented to where? Position 1. I have deleted 20. Now the top is pointing to where? 0. I have deleted 10. Now the top is pointing to where? -1. -1 indicates stack is empty. In the sense, you can insert an element.